Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video is part 1 of 3 on how to play Las Bodas de Luis Alonso. If you're new to my channel, I'm going to put pieces of the music here up on the screen, but if you would like to download your own copy for free, it will be down in the comments below. Starting off, we have I like to play a chord here in the beginning, open E and first finger on the A string. Get it nice and in tune. Then we jump to 4th position. So remember where our 4th finger goes normally on the note B. Now our 1st finger is there and we're in 4th position. And in this position we have the notes B, C natural, D, and 4th finger E. I'm also comfortable finding the harmonic. That's a good guide for me. But my first finger already knows sort of the position spot to be in 4th position. And then we stay in this position. B, C, D, B, C natural. Then again, E's. And a little scale down. D, C, B, A on the A string. G sharp, a nice half step. Then we repeat those 2 measures again. The same. And now we're at letter A. We're still in 4th position and it's a good idea to check your intonation, first finger E with open E. To make sure we're nice and in tune. So here we have E, F sharp, still G sharp, A, B. Then after that we have A sharp, B, C, D, B. I like to move my first finger back for that A sharp and then back to B. It's such a close shift, half step shift, that I like that fingering. Or you can do 4th finger extension. Whatever is easier for you to play. So we have A sharp, B, C, D, B. So let's put that together. 2nd beat of letter A. Or if you're using that 4th finger, again, it's up to you. Next measure. Still in 4th position, C, B, A natural this time, B, C, D. Next measure, I like to jump up to 6th position, first finger on C, 2nd finger on D, E, and F natural. So right here, the last measure of this line, I would do F, E, D, C, B, A, all in that same position. Not sure if I said 6th position earlier, but it's 5th position with our first finger on C. So again, that measure. So let's go back to letter A. With my preferred fingering, it would be okay, in measure 13, we ended up here on this G sharp. And then after that, it's the exact same thing. Then for modas, we hold out these notes. We have E. I think it would sound better in 3rd position. so we can add some vibrato versus just open E. So E and then F natural. D, E, D, C sharp, D. Then D, E, C, D, C, B, C. C, D, B, C, B, A sharp, B. This little figure again. One more time. Here we go from letter B, nice and slow. For this repeated part, if you can get the half position back to first position, shift nice and clean so you don't hear the sliding back and forth, then you can do that fingering. Or you can stay in half position. So now second finger is on the note B. Get it in tune. Again, alternate fingerings for whatever's easier for you. Okay, trumpets have their part, and then violins, we go down to mezzo piano. So the notes are D, and I like third position. So we can add that vibrato. E, F natural, E, half step away, D sharp. Again, E. Now a whole step to F sharp, F natural, and the E. Now at letter C, we're back to forte. The notes are B, C sharp, A, B, A, G sharp, A. One more time. Then A, B, G sharp, A, G sharp, F double sharp, G. And then G sharp, A, F sharp, G, F sharp, E sharp, F sharp. All right, again, all of this line, nice and slow. Now we're at measure 47, up to third position, D sharp, little scale, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp. Then E, F sharp, G sharp, D sharp, E, C, B. Of course, C sharp. Again, those two measures. Measure 47. Then it repeats the same part from letter C. Right here is a little bit different. So we have triplet E, F sharp, E, then D sharp, E, F natural, F sharp, G. So the rhythm here at letter D 1, 2, and 3. And then 2 measures of quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now measure 60. G, A, F natural. G, F, E, F. And then F, G, E. F natural, E, D sharp, E. Here I like to go to 3rd position right away. Then low G again, and then still 3rd position, E, F, D. I go back to 1st position, E, D, C sharp, D. Again this measure. Then a scale starting from B. B, A, G, F natural, E, D, C. Then D, E, B, C, A. G. Again. So both of these measures, starting at measure 66, then we go back up to G, similar to what we played before. Here it's different. So we have F, G, triplet, E, F, E, D sharp, E, C. Now we're at letter E. It's similar to what we played earlier at letter B, but now the trumpet is holding out those long notes. And we come in right here on the note D. D, E, D, C sharp, D. D, E, C, D, C, B, C. Then up to B. Again, that's B, C natural, A, B, A, G sharp, A. Then, here we're going to go back up to 4th position. Either find that harmonic or lock in the 1st finger on that note B, C, D, E. So on this first high E, I like to use 4th finger. We're in 4th position. And then I replace it with my 3rd finger. Now we're in 5th position. E, F, E, 3, 4, 3. 2, 3, 2, D, E, D. C, 1st finger. So again, it would be one more time. Then go back down to 3rd position. C, D, C, B, C, B, A. One more time. Then we have B, A, G sharp, A, C, B, E. Again, that little part. Then it repeats again. Then we have retrace, E, scale. I like to stay in 4th position. It would be 4th finger A, B, C, D, E. Retrace. Again, say it, scale. A, B, C, D, E. Trumpets, bum, 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 bum. And that's where we're going to stop for this video. Remember, when you're practicing, one, have a clear practice objective. Are you working on intonation? Are you working on fingerings, bowings? What are you working on? Make that clear, even if it's only 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever it is, make it exactly clear what you're working on. Don't just play it over and over and you're not really working towards anything. As I always say, first get the correct notes, make sure you get a solid fingering, then work on the bowings, everything like that, very slow. And once you have that solid, then we'll increase the tempo little by little. And the practice track for this video will be out soon. Other than that, we'll see you next time.